Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to get a driver's license in North Carolina. So let's get started. So first of all, you search for North Carolina DMV new driver's license, and then you press on this link right here. And after that, you're gonna scroll down and it's gonna give you some basic information about the documents that you need to have. For example, you need to be at least 18 years old, and you might want to apply for the learner permit right here. And in here, it's going to give you like a quick tip about the information that you need to bring with. Like you need to verify your identity, your age, and your social security number. And there's some other stuff for the US citizens. For example, we're just going to press on here just to have all the information. And for non-US citizens, I'm just going to press on here just to like a more clue about what you have to do. And then you have to search for North Carolina offices near me. And just going to press on here. And then it's going to ask you to put on your zip code exactly, just to make sure you are in the right place. And there you go. The nearest office is right here. And after that, you go back to this page and you just have to make an appointment online. Just going to press on here. And then you scroll down. And then, as I said, you just have to bring on the basic ID card and the basic information that you want. And then you press on make an appointment. And after that, you press on make an appointment. And then it's going to ask you to select the type of appointment that you want. You're just going to press on driver's license. Like if it's your first time, just going to press on here. And then it's going to ask you for your nearest spot that is next to you. For example, let's say this one. And then it's going to ask you to confirm the time and date, just like that. And you press on next. And in here, you have to just fill in your information, your first and last name. And you have to put on your phone number and also the email. And then you confirm. And after that, you press on next. And from here, you'll be ready to confirm your appointment. And yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Cheers.